back to Pree Dis. I'm Lijitimate. 100 on Hope Road is the location of the weekly Johnny Live Comedy Bar series. We stopped by recently and it was ladies' night, so you know the thing, turn up. Check it out.
You ever have like a friend or a neighbor come to your yard, right? And then borrow something from you and keep it so long, you have to turn and borrow it back? Rough, don't it? Or fellas, this one is for the fellas. You ever had sex that was so good, so amazing, so incredible, right? It blow your mind so much. You have to run home and tell your wife.
You see when a Jamaican man I look you, Caroline Cooper, the Jamaican man not just surface look you, you know. Jamaican man go down in a Caroline would have said the socio-historical background of the female in order to look you. When Jamaican man I look you, he must bring in family. And where your mother have your baby, I don't have Bernard Lodge or your sweet son. When Jamaican man I look you, you must bring in all your sister. They must pass them. I hope you have two sisters, you know, because couldn't you and God send down you as an angel. Yeah. And when Jamaican man I look you, you must bring your money night. You must say, baby, how long your man there prison? Because if you're not a woman, you know, go jail could have keep me from here, you know. Uncle Jamaican man. And you know me love about Jamaican man too? Them just spontaneous. Them don't even think about it, just come out of them head. So you know, them not look upon class and race and who have money and who not have no money for man. No, if you're there on the roadside and you're passing in your BMW and say, baby. Yeah.
I understand that you are always here at the comedy bar. Why?
Because it's really great entertainment and there's nothing comparable out the road now. Yes, you have clubs and so on, but this is truly different. It's truly Jamaican and it's really fun.
Well, it's something different from the norm and I love to laugh. So anything that gets me laughing, I'm there, definitely. And Johnny, you have to laugh with Johnny. So definitely.
What do you like most about the event though? What stands out most for you?
Well, of course Johnny and his crew. But I love how they interact. It's something that they're always interacting with the crowd, and that's something I love.
But you don't look good though. Thank God for clothes. I somehow up on the last lap. Show off no day or show off no. But me like it. Me like it because woman supposed to look good, not true. Too much things nowadays so woman don't look good. You're not too bad. Look beside me, see if you see no ugly woman beside you. If you see no shatterbox. Kind of never be my age, a woman of you ugly. You can't get everything done when Mr. Chin shop. Every single thing.
We go until end of October, and of course, I can tell you right now that we have some venues for outside of Kingston. So other places will be seeing us before the end of the year. But we're planning to take the event now to, we've been getting a lot of requests. Certainly a venue in Old Harbour has given us some, of course, some interest. Also in Negril, Montego Bay. We're getting some premier spots in Jamaica who are interested in brand stand-up comedy right now. And I'm very excited about that. 100 is our base. We're thankful for the teamwork and the partnership. I think this space is perfect for stand-up comedy. And also the audiences love to come here. The open mic segment is to ensure that we try and unearth new talent each week. Also for the established comedians to try out new material. It's very important that stand-up comedians understand that this is a place where you can come and workshop your material. Some of us are working on routines, but we don't have an audience to test them on. This is the perfect opportunity to do that. You can come here even if you're established, try out your new material. People will appreciate the joke, you'll get a direct feedback, and you'll know how to gauge your comedy from moving on there.
That was the Johnny Live Comedy Bar series, which runs until the last Tuesday in October. It's now over to Kevin J with this week's E! News.
Tied this week's E-News under the theme Tony Hanmek Fashion, the fourth staging of the Sun City Radio promoted Bubble the Pot Celebrity Cook-Off took place on Friday, October 6th at the Mandela Park in Kingston. Carleen Smith, better known as Carleen, the original dancehall queen, took first place. She teamed up with comedian and vlogger Dottie Berry to whip up a breakfast meal which comprised fried crushed green plantains, along with a salad, fried bami, saltfish, and cucumber. Second place went to dancehall diva Tifa, who teamed with Sun City Radio jock Gary Freestyle, while third place went to the team of dancehall star Tommy Lee Sparta and the Sun City presenter Robbie Ann Williams. Finishing in fourth place was the team of reggae artist Iba Mar and the Sun City's resident Japanese Sun Jock Yumi. Among the sponsors of the event were Water, True Juice, Scotch Bright Gold Seed Reduced Fat Margarine, and Vegan Margarine, as well as Smart Eggs. Canada-based reggae artist Exco Levi recently completed a video shoot at Niagara Falls for his latest single, Don't Cry. The song is produced by Silly Walks out of Germany. It is from his forthcoming album, Narrative. Exco Levi is originally from Jamaica. He is a 5-time Juno Award winner for Best Reggae Recording. Now, over on the Foundation Radio Network New York Reggae chart, singer Tom Lang recently spent 2 weeks at number 1 with King's Highway. The song, released on the Top Tier Records imprint, is featured on Tom's recently released album, Love Is Okay. And those were the stories making this week's E-News. I am Kevin J.
The Caribbean Video Magnum Top 10 charts and general degree. All that and more when we return on Pree Dis.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gala bar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge. We a hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the styling, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we a prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we a headline. We back, we talk with the own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge. You know how we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big buckle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a start. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. Overdo it, we take it too far. Wine with the style. Wine with the style. Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum. As I go through my day, when I work or I play, there's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool. Cool on your body any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that I feel reach worldwide. I cool water helps me stay cool, cause I drink cool. I cool water, feel like
victory is the only option. And your biggest opponent is that voice inside your head. And you know, with Hydrate Hydration, you can do almost anything, even when work is a workout.
Up to $40 less than other popular rehydration drink brands, Lasco Hydrate is everyday hydration for everyday heroes.